Hello, Insta enthusiasts. Welcome to AnHome Channel, your go-to source for all things Instagram. In today's quick guide, we're showing you how to change your Instagram name in just a few taps. Whether you're rebranding or just in the mood for a change, we've got you covered. Step 1, Profile Access. Open your Instagram app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. This is your Instagram command center. Step 2, Edit Profile. Once you're on your profile, hit the Edit Profile button right under your bio. Ready to make a change? Let's go. Step 3, Changing the name. To change your display name, tap on the To Name field. Here, you can enter your new desired name. Remember, this doesn't have to be unique, so feel free to get creative. Step 4, Changing the username. For a new username, tap the Username field. Keep in mind, this one needs to be unique. If your chosen username is taken, try adding numbers or underscores. Step 5, Saving the changes. Once you're happy with your new name and username, tap Done to save your changes. And just like that, you've got a fresh new identity on Instagram. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching AnHome Channel. Don't forget to hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more Instagram